This is the MS Teams Help It's Not Working guide for people that have tried downloading MS Teams on their smartphone, but it's not working. Use this guide if you can't download the MS Teams app. We strongly recommend you download the MS Teams app. You don't need to log in or sign in. Use this video to show you how. Student mobile phone access, download MS Teams. It's on the Haringey YouTube channel. This how-to guide assumes you've already downloaded the Edmodo app. If you haven't, use this video to show you. Student mobile phone access Edmodo, also available on the Haringey YouTube channel. What I'm going to show you is option 1, how to use a link in an email. Then option 2, how to copy a link from Edmodo. And then 3, regardless of where you've got the link from, how to open the meeting link. Option 1, how to join an MS Teams meeting from a link in an email.
Here, I've opened my email to join my class, and I can see a link, Join Microsoft Teams Meeting.
Click on the link and this will open it in your browser, i.e. on the internet. Option 2. Click on a link in Edmodo and copy it into your browser.
I'm going to click Join Conversation to access the class online. This will try to open Microsoft Teams, but as I don't have the app downloaded, I just want to use my browser. In the very top right hand corner, I'm going to click on that link.
And it's showing me the link is copied.
I now have the link to access the MS Teams class, and I need to go to my browser. I've got a couple of browsers. First, I'm going to show you how this might work on Chrome.
Tap in to the address bar, that's the space at the top of your browser. Then tap on link that you copied. If this bar appears, click on paste. Now I'm going to show you how you can join a Teams meeting or class using your browser, i.e. the internet, after clicking on the link in Edmodo or an email. First, I'm going to show you how to open the meeting if you're using an old iPhone. Then I'll show you using more modern phones. This is showing you where the refresh button is once you have pasted the link into your browser on an old iPhone.
I've added the link to my browser. This one is Safari, so that's the web browser that comes with iPhones. But it's a particularly old one, so if I want to ask it to open the desktop site, I need to click on the refresh button and hold it. There we can see Request Desktop Site has popped up. And if I go down to the bottom and look at the white button, I can join this browser instead.
Opening the meeting in newer phones. For newer phones and Androids, click the 3 dots. Then select Request Desktop Site. Next, I'm going to show you what that looks like live.
Pop that link into Chrome and go to the very bottom right hand corner and click the 3 dots. I can select Request Desktop Site.
and then I click Join in this browser instead. Here's another example using Edge.
I can also do this in other browsers. I paste that URL, that web address, go to the three dots and select desktop site.
And then I click Join in this browser instead. Entering the MS Teams meeting class in a browser on your mobile phone. Once you have clicked to join, a black background screen should appear. You'll need to turn your phone around so that it's landscape long ways.
So we're flipping round and I'm going to enter my name and click Join Now. And then it will go to connecting and someone in the meeting should let you in soon. So what will happen is your tutor will let you in and you'll be able to join the meeting.
I hope that solved your problems. If you haven't found that your browser allows you to access Teams and you haven't been able to download the app, try downloading a different browser like Edge or Chrome from your App Store or Play Store. If you're still getting stuck, then do ask your tutor for more help.